Like I didn't even know until like one of my cousins, like, because he's got like a very bad acne, and then he started using it. And so I said, like, maybe I'm gonna try it out too, because I really had like a very dry skin, and like, you know, it's like a combination of dry and oily skin. So I was like, maybe I'm gonna try it out. So I tried it out, and then I didn't even know that it's Ate Reyes. So, and then we came here in April, and then she was like, gusto niyang pumunta sa meet and greet, tapos sabi ko gano'n, hindi kita maasikaso.
Yes! Sabi niya, sigurado ka man, maraming tao sa market. Hindi, may store naman ako doon. Hindi naman ako, bakit? Sabi niya, sabi ng mga staff, sigurado ka, hindi ka naman nag-a-attend ng mga fan meet. Hindi nga, gusto ko nga. Gusto ko makilala si Ading. Sabi niya, no, I'll go there. Promise? Ganon. Tapos pumunta siya, 8 a.m. Katutulog ko pa lang doon. Dumating siya talagang nakaganon yung mata ko. Para lang makilala siya. Pero dahil nag-enjoy kami, na late na siya sa next appointment niya, alauna na siya umalis. Diba? Ganon na agad yung bonding namin ni Ading ko. And then, sabi nga namin, dami nagko-comment sa skin niya. Mas maganda yung skin niya pag walang makeup. Sobrang dewy. Dahil nagko-comment na, uy, ang ganda. Di ba bare face siya pag nagpo-post siya, sabi natin, i-reveal natin soon kung bakit Korean ang skin mo. At ba't hindi ka nagbe-makeup pag nagpo-post ka ng mga materials mo online.
Oh, yeah.
Maraming salamat, sir. Next question, dire-diretso tayo from Miss Rose Garcia.
Ayan na, hello, Miss Geraldine. Yeah. How do you feel na, ayun nga, endorser ka na after nung first time nyo palang nagkita ni Miss Ray, kumbaga, na-expect mo ba to, ito mga nangyayari ngayon? And follow up ko na rin, anong comment nila, Joss, your husband, dito sa mga magagandang opportunity na nangyayari sa inyo?
Like me personally, I'm very, very happy. And then actually Josh doesn't even know na pupunta kami dito. Sinabi ko sa kanya, nag-story ako kahapon. Tapos sabi niya, why are you doing photo shoot? Sabi ko, tapos sabi ko, doing something. Sabi ko, gano'n, just stay tuned. Sabi ko, gano'n. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanya, ayun kayo, sabi niya, bakit wala kami? Like, well, I wanted to. Kasi gusto niyang mag-drive from Ifugao hanggang here. Tapos gusto niyang makita yung face daw niya sa NLEX. Sabi ko, kaya pero he's very, very happy. Like, you know, even Nemo, like I was telling Nemo about it, but he kind of like doesn't know what's going on, but he knows, like, he's got a, like, you know, he's got a very little idea on like what's going on.
Ayun, having your first billboard, how do you feel?
Oy, very excited kasi nga dream ko kayo nung bata ako, di ba? Like, hindi ko naman alam na ganito pala yung feeling, no, na gano'n yung nangyayari. Talaga hindi ka makapaniwala. Yung nanay ko umiiyak eh. Like, you know, kasi like super proud siya sa nangyayari sa akin. Like if my grandma was here, because it's my grandma who raised me up, and my grandfather, like, she would have been happy. Like she would have, like, I remember when we started to go like viral online, we had our first TV interview, and then she was still alive. I was in Australia at that time, and then she was still here, right? So she was in front of the TV. Like, I had a video from my cousin, they sent it to me, and then she was like crying there kahit hindi niya naririnig kasi she was, like, you know, she was deaf. But then umiiyak siya. So ngayon, like, I can see na she would have been so happy. Kaya, you know, anyway, I know. I'm trying. But anyway, I'm just very happy. I know, like, she's watching us from there anyway. So.
Okay, congrats. Siyempre kami, nagpo-follow talaga kami sa mga content nyo ever seen. So, doon sa mga hindi pa masyadong familiar, ano sa tingin mo yung naging secret ng The Blackman family na naging ganito kayong ka-successful sa content creators?
I think you just gotta be yourself. Like, wag kang maglagay ng content na, you know, kasi for example, maglagay ka ng content na ganito, hindi relatable sa'yo, like, the next few days or next few weeks that you're gonna be making content, it's not consistent anymore. Like, you would be having different contents na ganito, ganyan. But then if you're consistent of what you do, like, I think people will start liking you. Like, we started with nothing anyway. Like, we didn't have any followers. Like, cause me, pinag-aralan, like, you know, makikita mo naman yan, mapag-aaralan mo siya. For example, cause Josh and I started with, like, you marrying a Filipina. Tapos, yung audience namin noon is like mainly Philippines lang. Tapos hindi na siya, yung ibang mga videos namin hindi nagva-viral. Tapos ngayon, kapag same yung contents na ginagawa mo, it's all about like family and then like, about marriage. Then I think like kapag consistent yun, I think you're gonna grow. Because people would know, like hindi ko alam na ano. Like, I used to like not even like, na sinasabi ko yung name ko sa sa social media. Like, it's just a wife. Like, what do you call this one? Like, dinidescribe ko lang yung sarili ko, like, I'm a wife and she's a husband. Pero minsan, sa mga videos, tinatawag akong Geraldine Lee Josh, tinatawag ko rin siya. Tapos makikita mapapansin ng mga tao talaga, kapag they start to love you, talagang alam na nila yung every details, kaya nga yung, nung nagpa-suspense effect kayo ng bakit curly yung hair, tapos ako agad-agad yung, kaya, tapos marami rin nagtatanong kasi, kapag lumalabas kami, like, people would, like, what are you doing next? Ganito, ganyan, abangan.
Okay. Last na, syempre sa Australia ka naka-base. So as we all know, maraming mga products, skincare product, maraming mga talagang branded na mga skincare. So ano yung naging effect, ano yung naging difference sa'yo para ma-convince ka na itong serum ng Beauty Derm is one of the best or
So I think people started noticing my skin after maybe like few months ago nung naglalagay ako ng mga beauty products ganyan. Pero tapos marami ring nag-o-offer na ganyan nung nakita nila yung face ko, marami nang nag-o-offer din. Actually before I talked to Andrea, like a huge brand here in the Philippines offered me the same thing and I was like kasi nga may pinagsamahan na kami dati, Rhea, like I really like her because we're Ilocanos and then we're like kind of like, sobrang nag-ulit kami. Kaya sabi ko, I'm gonna go with Ate Rhea, like she's so nice din kasi. Kaya but there have been a lot of like offers from Australia as well. It's not like Filipino brands like doing skincare, but I did because I wasn't ready at that time. Like I don't know what am I gonna do. I don't know what what am I gonna portray online. So that's why hindi pa ako nagsasay yes. Right, totoo yun.
Di ba, Bongga? Ang daming mga international offers, pero Beauty Derm ang talagang nasa puso ni Miss Geraldine. The Rose, maraming salamat. Susunod